This is the collar, and this one is soft fusing. I am going to fuse only upper part. You can use the lightweight fusing in the cuff and collar. You can fuse the same collar, same fusing in cuff part, only upper part, and after that you can fold 1 centimeter like this. Okay. And this is the collar part. This is a ready pattern. In the pattern find already available for marking, and you can mark like this. You can put the collar folding edge and mark like this. Okay, you can mark proper according to pattern. Yeah, it's done. And now this is the lining part, and now I am going to attach, stitch the collar part. Stitch on the line, on the marking. Okay.